2005 Mitsubishi Eclipse V6. Got factory converters up there and up there. Then it's got an aftermarket 2.5-inch system all the way back. Then he didn't like the muffler, so he cut it off. Then he said, oh, it's too loud. So he brought it back to us. And what we put on it for him was a vibrant bottle muffler and a 5-inch tip. Blue flame tip right there. Looks really nice on those. Fits that hole nicely. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. We'll see if we have a link in the description for the vibrant muffler and the tip for you guys. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe to see more content. Vibrant muffler. What do you think? Better? Bro, those are sound decibels. It hit 119. Wow, that's awesome. It's quiet when it's sitting still. It's not that loud. It tamed it a lot. Is that the sound you were looking for? Yeah, good. There it is. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mitsubishi Eclipse.